We looked at probably 24 different platforms. Across the board, Premier was the number one. Our world now, living with Premier, has grown exponentially over the last decade. Our revenue has increased 30 times. That's great that Premier was able to grow with us. Right from the beginning, when Premier identified what our work scopes were, they immediately catered to how we did business. They made changes and alterations to the coding, to the programming, to make sure that the way that we like to do construction, they stood right alongside of us. When we went through evaluating other software companies about a decade ago, Premier came out on the top, and for one specific reason. In our business, to me, it's more about the people. It's about the engagement of the relationship. And the folks at Premier, right from the start, knew that it was about the relationship. It was not so much about the accounting or the building, but it was about developing a relationship to make sure that their product would fit what we wanted to do. User access controls with Premier have become paramount as we've grown. We've had immense growth in our company, so responsibilities have changed with several people, and the hierarchy of what we can choose for people to see or what permissions they have, Premier has expanded that year over year. They've continued to take a deeper dive in the data, peel the layers back, and make sure that some people stay in their lane for the things they need to see and focus on, and others, where there's oversight responsibility, can have an all-encompassing view of everything. And they've really dialed it down. Premier, I believe, is the forefront of responsibility and making sure that it's in the right hands. We found that to be very successful for us. We don't want to reinvent the construction process. We want to reinvent the way in which we manage the construction process. And I believe that Premier has been paramount to the success we've had with that.